Hello, this is Ken. I like making things. I enjoy being creative and love trying new tricks. My goal for this channel is to challenge myself and create fun stuff for myself. If you want to see me explore ideas and figure out ways to DIY a variety of stuff, click the subscribe button. Last week, I made a father-son Kamehameha mini stage for Super Saiyan 2 Gohan. And today, I am going to upgrade, improve, enhance the duo Gogeta and JANEMBA so they can stand on a mini stage and look cool on my display. I will be using everyday basic tools and material, saving myself some money so I can spend it on my next figure. Haha. People have been comparing Gogeta and Vegito since the late 90s. Who is the better fusion? Personally, I prefer Vegito, maybe it's because of his two strands of bangs. Anyway, Gogeta and JANEMBA are from the movie Fusion Reborn, one of the best Dragon Ball Z movies. Too bad it's non-canon. Goku and Vegeta were not able to defeat JANEMBA, and there weren't any Potara earrings available. So they had to do the fusion dance instead. It did take them a couple of tries, but once fused properly, the battle was over. Gogeta and JANEMBA is a pair that must be displayed together. Let's have a look at the figures. Gogeta is very serious and JANEMBA is grinning. Nice touch of personalities there. I like that Gogeta comes with the halo. Oh, they also don't look weird from this angle. Nice. Great pair of figures. So, can I make it? Now let's set the stage. Just like what I did with Android 17 and 18, I want to make one stage for both figures. Gogeta, JANEMBA in their little stage. This is going to be fun. First, let's prep the cutting mat. We are going to cut this new packaging cardboard. The other one has temporarily retired. I am going to do the exact same measurements as my test stage. And then I am going to cut. And then cut. Okay, let's see how Gogeta and JANEMBA looks standing on it. It looks like they are about to fight. Nice. Now for the background. Their battle in the other world was brief, but memorable. To replicate that scene, I have to make sure those jelly beans are in the background. I also want to replicate the battle between Gogeta and JANEMBA. Gogeta's special attack is his Stardust Breaker and JANEMBA's unique ability is his pixelated teleportation. I want to add those in the background, just to add some more flair to the display. Here's it printed. Now I am going to trim the borders out. Cut. And more cut. Let's see how it looks on the cardboard. Wow, the colors are so vibrant. I am just going to use a regular glue stick to stick it on. Regular glue sticks means no warpy background for me. Let's put Gogeta and JANEMBA back on and have a look. Gotta fix the flimsy background with cardstock paper and glue stick. White glue does warpy things to paper. Let's put them back on again. And have them face each other. The attacks are very subtle but they work. Perfect. But wait, I am going to add some more jelly beans. I want the stage to be more 3D. I love 3D things. I rolled up these balls of clay, and I am going to paint them. It is quite difficult to mimic that glossy, shiny material, so I am just going to do an impression of it using 3 tones of colors. Taga. Let's see if they work with the background. Oh wow! They are blending in perfectly. They are a nice touch, and they don't distract. Now let's glue them down with white glue this time. I need a stronger glue for these. Now here's the final look. I think I replicated that battle quite accurately. The colors look so good. No wonder that movie was so memorable. Let me know what you think. Now let's look at the lineup of all the figures I've updated so far. I started with Super Saiyan Rage Trunks. I tried to make sure each set gets an unique background. Something that would amplify the characters' personalities or recreate specific iconic moments from the show. It's pretty cool seeing them all together like this. They all get their own spotlights. Now here's the final product. If you like what I've done, please share this video and give this a like. Subscribe if you want to see me upgrade more figures. I can make it, so can you.
Last time on Dragon Ball Z. The Devil JANEMBA is here. Super Saiyan 3 Goku is not powerful enough. Vegeta is here too. Never mind. What will our heroes do? The fusion dance. Boom. Gogeta is born. Game over for JANEMBA. Gogeta JANEMBA and their stage now available, batteries not included.